Hello, friends. Ever since I was working on this series, I always had a thought that how to sum up this series with a thoughtful message that can help a new trader and understand the perspectives of a pro trader. Luckily, I was going through one of the Instagram page where a trader has posted something that was a complete reflection of what I was in the beginning as a trader versus what I am in the present as a trader. I'll read out the pointers which has been given in the form of differentiation between a beginner and a pro trader. And trust me, it is something that I was reading about myself. So the pointers say something about the beginner trader, which is that a beginner trader uses high leverage and typically risks all money in one trade or more than half of it. So it's the truth. Basically, a beginner trader always makes these mistakes of losing or making trades with all of its capital. But a pro trader doesn't over leverage his account. So basically, over leveraging or leveraging means that you're using your entire capital to trade as well as you're taking some leverage from the broker. Instead, you should use your half or maybe the quarter of your capital to trade in the beginning. So basically, taking leverage or credit from the broker during the trade is potentially a risk. The second pointer to the beginner trader says gets angry whenever he takes a loss and risks more to recover the loss. So that's the truth. And I admit that I have made the same mistake in the beginning and fall flat on my face. And whatever the pro trader says that a pro trader accepts the losses and doesn't trade based on emotions. So that's how a trader should be. So when you face the loss is due to some reasons. And if you face the loss, then you're ready for the next day. And if you don't admit it, then you're emotionally broken and maybe the next day you won't trade or maybe you'll continue to make losses. The third pointer about the beginner trader says opens random trades and hopes it will be a big win. So a trader cannot trade randomly. That's a big mistake from anyone who is trading with even a small amount. That will be a risk. Why you want to lose even a small amount from your capital? A pro trader doesn't work like that. A pro trader trades only when there is a good opportunity based on his criterias or maybe the right setup. So always use your own criterias based on your right setup and don't trade until and unless you get that you connect all the points and then you go for the trade, right? The fourth pointer that says about the beginner trader is a beginner trader have no clue how to treat trading. Yeah, that's right. A beginner trader always thinks that trading is an ATM machine and you can withdraw any amount whenever you want. But it doesn't work like that. A stock market or trading business is not an ATM machine. You cannot withdraw money whenever you want. It's a business. So a pro trader thinks the same, knows very well that trading is a business. So if you think trading as a business, then it will always be in your favor. Point number 5 that tells you about the beginner trader is no trading plan, no entry plan, gets his strategy from reading the star traders. Yeah, that's true. Maybe you have done the same. Trust me, I had the same problem in the beginning. I had no plans how to enter the trade, how to treat your strategies, or maybe don't have a strategy at all. But a pro trader always has a strategy, knows when to enter the trade with a right trading plan. So basically your trading plan is the master key to your success. So trade according to the plan, fix a sensible stop loss, and if the trade doesn't work, then accept it and relax. You will find another day to trade. The sixth and the last point that says about the beginner trader that the stop is when the balance reaches zero. Now that is very much painful for anyone who is doing this business. Just imagine your capital going to zero. So in this situation, what the pro trader does is a pro trader always pre-plan when to exit his trade. So basically, you might be great in entering the trade, but a pro trader or a sensible trader always plans for the exit. The exit plan has to be pre-planned before even entering the trade. So without the exit plan, a trader cannot save his capital. So you always have to be very conscious on how to save your capital. So in this way, I'll end this series of Day Trading Guide for Beginners. I hope you find this video helpful with all the pointers that has been given in the form of differentiation between a beginner and a pro trader. I promise you to bring more contents on different categories and topics. And if you like this category, then please let me know in the comments. And if you want more contents to be made by me related to trading or anything related to stock market or any of the topic that you need to know, then please let me know in the comments. If you like this series, then please do share this to someone who is needed. That might be a big help for them. And lastly, please treat stock market as a business and trade sensibly. Thank you for watching. Good luck.